Let's swap out the cabin filter on the 2017 Kia Niro. First disconnect the Glovebox damper assembly. More on how to do this at the end of the video. Then there's just two Glovebox door stoppers. It's a quarter turn to remove the right and the left, and that'll give you enough space to access the cabin filter assembly. Pinch and pull to remove the cabin filter cover, then pull your old filter out, swap in your new filter, then button everything back up in reverse order. 3 tips for this job. The first deals with disconnecting the Glovebox damper. It is toolless, but it took me a few tries to figure this out. And this video doesn't do a great job of showing what I'm doing, so the best I can explain it is pinching the Glovebox with your right hand while applying downward pressure to the clip with your right hand thumb, while prying outward or to the right with your left hand thumb. Here's a few clips showing me disconnecting and reconnecting the damper by hand easily to help build your confidence. The second deals with the orientation of the cabin filter cover. The fins go down. The third and final tip deals with the orientation of the cabin filter itself. The airflow moves from top to bottom, so the airflow arrow must be pointing down. That's it. Check the description for part numbers and costs, and enjoy the fresh air in your cabin.